The big political story we're tracking here on Headlines today. Sources have told us that the Sangh has set out a strong message to BJP patriarch LK Advani, asking him to contest from the Gandhinagar seat that he's been allotted. The Sangh claims that if he refuses to contest from a seat from where he's been elected for the last 16 years, a wrong message will go out and put the BJP in a spot of bother. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Aditi Ananthanarayanan, who's joining us on the phone line. Aditi, clearly the Sangh Parivar calling the shots at this stage now, putting pressure on LK Advani, who till now has kept the BJP guessing on whether or not he will accept a nomination from Gandhinagar.
Absolutely, Simi. In fact, since morning, we have been seeing a brigade of the BJP leaders coming and visiting LK Advani's residence in the national capital. We had Sushma Swaraj coming in, we had Narendra Modi, we had Venkaiah Naidu. In fact, Venkaiah Naidu had also mentioned that all is well within the party. In fact, they are hopeful that they will convince LK Advani. However, as far as LK Advani is concerned, he has remained tight-lipped till now, till yesterday night. The sources within LK Advani's office were strongly telling us that LK Advani still is reluctant in contesting the elections from Gandhinagar. He still wants to contest the elections from Bhopal. In fact, he had also raised some pertinent questions from the BJP top brass that if Rajnath Singh could opt for contesting the elections from Lucknow, if Narendra Modi himself could choose to contest the elections from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, then why is so much trouble happening within the party if LK Advani chooses to contest elections from Bhopal and not from Gandhinagar? So we have been seeing that throughout the day leaders have been coming. What we're expecting probably in the evening after Rajnath Singh comes back to the national capital from Chennai, he also might come and visit LK Advani in the evening, and that is probably the entire day the coming and going of the BJP leaders will continue, and only after that decision will be taken by LK Advani whether he is still adamant that he wants to contest from Bhopal or whether he will give in to the demands of the party top brass. And now even the RSS is of the opinion that LK Advani should give in to the demands of the party top brass, because it is definitely sending out a wrong message out in the public. It shows the infighting within the BJP. Absolutely. And will definitely not be very good for the image of the party and for the image of Narendra Modi. So all in the hands of LK Advani now, Simi, whether he will accept the offer or whether he will still be adamant.
Right. Once again, the RSS throwing its weight behind Narendra Modi. Aditi, stay on with us. Clearly, there is an effort being made by the BJP to assure its supporters that there are no differences between top leaders in the party. We're getting in a reaction from senior BJP leader Venkaiah Naidu. Let's listen in.
There won't be any problem whatsoever. Whatever happens, there will be a happy